Beginner's English lesson number 14 helps you to practice 70 plus everyday action sentences to make you fluent in the use of English. There are many words, many sentences and many ideas which will help you to become better if you keep expanding these with your own experience. Let us see each of these sentences. It is time to get ready for office. I open my wardrobe. What should I wear today? This light blue full sleeves shirt looks fine. Let me choose this one for today. Tomorrow I have to attend a conference. I will have to wear a formal suit tomorrow. I'd better check if my brown suit is ready. Oh, good. Here is the brown suit, fresh from the laundry. For today, I need a pair of matching trousers for the blue shirt I have selected. I think the new black trousers match well with the blue shirt. Okay. Which tie would be good with these? The striped tie is the best, I feel. Now I need some black socks. I open the drawer and take out one pair of black socks. Right, let me wear my clothes. First the shirt, then the trousers. I stand in front of the mirror and knot the tie properly. The right order of dressing is to wear the socks last. Next comes the wristwatch. I used to hear my grandfather talking about pocket watches. Today, I don't think anyone uses pocket watches. Most people prefer wristwatches. Some don't even use a watch for telling time. Their smartphone does it all. But I don't feel comfortable unless I wear a wristwatch. My wristwatch is oval in shape. Its color is golden. The watch strap is made of metal. I slip it onto my wrist and clip it in place. Many wristwatches have leather straps. Those have to be fastened differently. I now search for a clean handkerchief. I find a pile of washed and ironed handkerchiefs. I take the one at the bottom of the pile. Carefully, I place it in the pocket of my trousers. My wallet is on the table. Before putting it into my pocket, I check the contents of my wallet. It is important to ensure that my identity card is there. I notice that there is some money in the wallet. I don't think I need any more money today. So, it is not necessary to replenish the currency notes. Anyway, I most often use the credit card for buying anything. Online payment is also much preferred now. Better check my e-wallet balance, which I use for online transactions. I have a habit of checking if my credit card is there inside. Yesterday, I had used it. Thank God it is there in its place. I was worried that I may have put it somewhere else in a hurry. The wallet is all okay, so let me put it in my pocket. I have plugged in my phone for charging. I must remember to take it along when I leave home. By the time the phone gets charged, let me search for my cap and sunglasses. Today, the sun is very strong. I wonder where I kept my sunglasses the last time I wore them. Is it possible that they are in my laptop bag? Great! I have found them. I'll wear them before setting out today. I was working on my laptop this morning. Better put the laptop and charger in the bag before I forget. These physical files also need to go to office with me. They can go into my briefcase. I need to make some place for the lunchbox also in the briefcase. Yes, now I have put everything in. Both the briefcase and the laptop bag are packed and ready. I think there is a forecast of rain this evening. Should I take my umbrella along? If the rain is very heavy, then the umbrella is not adequate. In that case, it is better to take the raincoat. Let me try to fit the raincoat into the briefcase. Finally, I have everything and only need to wear my shoes. The shoe case is next to the front door. I wear my black shoes and tie the laces. After all these preparations, I am ready for office. With that, you have seen 74 simple sentences about actions which you do every day. These will help you to become fluent if you practice them regularly. You can also add other actions which you do every day to learn better English. All the best and thank you.